What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm on this app, Upside. The link to it to download this app on your phone or your tablet is in the description. It's basically you're getting cash back to get gas and food. You can't beat that because you need gas in your car and you got to eat to stay alive, so you might as well start getting cash back for doing those things. Now, very simple. I've made videos on this before, but I always want to keep you guys updated that I'm still making money with these apps and showing you how to do it if this is your first time seeing something like this. All right, so you see here at the top I have $12.45 in my account. Really cool thing about this app is that you can cash out at a minimum of $1. They'll send it right to your PayPal, or you can get a check sent to your home, whichever you prefer. But I'm gonna show you how it is. Like I said, it is an app to get cash back on, so it's going to show me the gas stations that are close to me. It's important that you have your location turned on in this app, so that way you can see what gas stations near you are actually offering cash back. Now, for me right now, at this Shell gas station right here, they're offering 3 cents cash back, and this one right here is 6 cents. Now, these are the ones that are close to me, but like sometimes if you look right here, because right now I'm out of town, I'm in Dallas right now, so it's kind of showing me the ones that are near me right now. So, but if I kind of make this bigger, like I said, have your location on, and I just go up here to search this area, it'll show me all of the ones that are like in that area. Click on it again, and you'll see it kind of pop up once it kind of sees like all these gas stations that are near you. You see that all of these gas stations like that, and you go down here, you'll see, oh, you know, this Valero, they're offering 1 cent. They're offering 1 cent. You know what I'm saying? They're offering 4 cents. A lot of times I like to go to the gas station where the gas is low and the cash back is high. That way you're getting the most, you know, for your money. All right, very simple. A lot of times it'll show you restaurants too. If I click on restaurants, I don't know if there are any in the area that are actually offering cash back. It might be, yeah, right here. If I go to this restaurant, whatever I spend, I'm going to get 25% back. A lot of times they'll have different fast food restaurants on here. A lot of them have like 25 to 30% cash back, which is really good. So it's basically you're getting a huge discount on your food. All right, so I know how many people like to eat fast food. If you like to eat fast food, this is the app for you because you're going to get, you know, some of your money back in doing that. All right, so just real quick, just want to show you guys that. Also, I'm going to show you my history with this app, how much money I've made with it. You'll see all of these gas stations right here. I went to Popeyes. I got $3.05 back, cash back. You know what I'm saying? When I'm getting gas, I'm getting, you know, cash back on that. This is just December. You know, we're moving into the new year. You know, this is back in November. Like, I used this app, you know, for over a year. And you see my lifetime earnings is $400.36.41. Doesn't get any better than that, man. I'm continuing to, you know, climb up in this on this app. Now I'm going to actually cash out. Show you that real quick. Just click on this. These 3 bars at the top, cash out. And you see here all the different options that you have. For me, I just prefer PayPal. Just put in my PayPal account. Just click on the email I want to use. Click continue. Just like that, you can pick which one you want to, how much you want to cash out. If you want to cash out a little lower than that, you can. For me, I always cash out all of it, so I'm just going to click cash out. So take my balance down to 0, and it's going to show me, see, there's no fee involved with it. I mean, at first when I was using this app a long time ago, they had like $1 fee if you had anything less than $15, but now they've waived that fee, which is really good. So now I'm going to click cash out, and it's going to tell me your money will be there in 12 to 24 hours, and I usually get it the same day. I don't really have any problem with this app and getting it the same day. It's always really good for me, so I highly encourage you guys to sign up for it. The link is in the description, and the really cool thing is with my code that you use, you can actually get 15 cents extra off your first gallon, off your first cashback offer. So you saw, let me go back and show you real quick. Like if I choose one of these gas stations, let me see, I'll show you real quick. Like this one right here is offering 25-cent gallons. 25, I can't talk today. 25 cents off each gallon, right? But if you use the code, you get an extra 15 cents, so that makes 40 cents, all right? And that's not a joke. That's not something to get you to sign up. I'm just getting you guys more money in your pocket, just helping you, because everybody needs money in the times we're living in. So, like I said, use the code, get that extra 15 cents off, you know, wherever you want to go. Like I said, for this one is, you know, extra 15 cents. For this one, extra 15 cents. That'll make it 22 cents. This will make it 18. It doesn't matter. It works for gas. It doesn't work for food. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But it'll always be there until you use it. All right. So, again, I highly encourage you guys to get involved with it. Sign up. The link to it is in the description. If you're interested in learning how to make money online, that's what my whole YouTube channel is dedicated to, showing you different ways, different websites, different apps, all that good stuff, showing you how to make money online completely free with no money out of your pocket, no personal information, nothing like that. Just, you know, put money in your pocket so you can pay bills, go on vacation, do whatever you want with it. That's what my whole channel is dedicated to. So please consider subscribing to it. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as my earliest convenience. And as always, every penny counts.